In this tutorial, I will show you how to make motivational quotes videos in Canva. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design. Search for Mobile Video and select the vertical format. Now go to ChatGPT and generate motivational quotes. Copy a quote you like. Go back to Canva and add a text box. Paste your quote and adjust the font and size. Keep the text bold and easy to read. Next, go to Elements and search for background videos. Add a video that matches the mood of your quote. Send the video to the background. Now go to Elements and search for music. Add an inspirational track to your timeline. Adjust timing so everything flows smoothly. Preview your video to check the look and feel. Make small adjustments if needed. Once you're happy, click on Share. Click Download and choose MP4 format. That is how you make motivational quotes videos in Canva.